Hello guys, so for today's video we'll be teaching you how to change your Instagram notification sounds on an iPhone. So just to tell you, I'm using an iOS 15, so I'm not pretty sure if this is going to work, but let's see towards the end if this works. If you have an Android phone, it is much easier to change your Instagram notification sound, but let's try. First thing you want to do is go to your Instagram app, like so, and then click on your settings and privacy option. And then as you can see here, click on the notifications option and then scroll down until you can see messages. And then make sure that all of the options are turned on. Message requests, message reminders, everything is on. If you're done with that, go towards your settings option on iPhone and then scroll down till you can see sound option. And when you're inside the sound, as you can see here, there is actually no other options. Unfortunately for iPhone users, there's no way to change your Instagram notification sound as of the moment. But yeah, if you're using Android, those typically gonna be easier. And thank you for watching.